And look at this. Ah! 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 The tumpah! And we play outside. Why play outside, Mom? Guys, more fun.
So
And
what we
look
going
at
to do?
that.
What are we going to do today?
I'm gonna do a sensory bottle.
So show it.
Bottles,
Okay.
of course, and then we need some glue, and we need some glitter and some water. Oh,
yeah.
glycerin.
You gonna
Oh.
take? Can you go take it? Ingredient that I just bought. See, it's so amazing. So when we do this, you know, sensory bottle is good for babies around 1
Yeah,
till
we got
10 months.
We got two babies, one me and one my sister.
Oh, okay. This bottle is suitable
Yeah.
for young babies because
A young baby or young bears.
because
Yeah,
they
that's
always
embarrassing.
want to play something that look distracted, you know.
I will do the next bottle. Put it in, Mama.
This is
The
warm
soft
water, you know.
Yes, is it warm water?
You can hold it here. You can feel it.
It's
Warm
warm.
can. Okay. So next,
Warm.
what is the ingredient?
I want to put this
Okay,
and this. I want to put this first. And look at this, so cool. Da, 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 da. Oh, that you're gonna record. Ooh, this one to Nessa. Macam macam
Can we put this?
No, I said two colors, right? No, I don't want three.
Okay. So this one is a blue one that we did. And
Yes,
this one
earlier.
is a pink color.
Just Chase and Sky.
Okay. Cantiknya.
Look at this. I love this one. So
Colorful.
pretty. Yay! Oh, it looks so normal.
It's
It's
so
okay,
normal.
my daddy. I need the cheese.
Water, please.
Tapi sikit lah, Mama. My sisters.
Hey, kaki.
Itulah je. Asyik nak taruh kaki ke atas je. Dia nak keluar kot. Ah! Dia nak tutup ni.
Slowly. One with pink color. It's nice.
Hey, look at this. Ah! Ah! Tertumpah! Ah! It's okay. It's more gonna dry. Mama! All I done. This is all I done, and I like this one because look at this. And then look at this. It's really pink. There's three colors. And this one, I don't like this one. This one, it's pretty cool. And this one, oh, so cool. This one, look at this. This one. What? Okay, we got same of this one. Okay? And bye-bye. Thanks for watching.